Welcome back to the PK Lounge here at Cowtown, USA, where we're always kicking up Texas-sized flavor. Today we're rolling out a serious crowd pleaser, bacon wrapped chicken lollipop drumsticks. Crispy, juicy, wrapped tighter than a rattlesnake at a rodeo.
I can climb on your head.
And if y'all missed last week's recipe, rattlesnake crunch patties, go check that out after this. They're crispy, crunchy, and cowboy approved. Hit, hit that like button and subscribe. Ring that little bell so you don't miss the next round of PK Lounge cooking. Let's get to it. I'm going to demonstrate how to make it a lollipop. So cut right underneath the joint. Okay. We got them all cut, the tendons, all that kind of stuff, right? Now, pull down. So you're going to make a lollipop like that. Next, you'll see the exposed bone right here. Take some paper towel so you get a grip and just peel up and over your bone. Up, over, and twist. And you'll have a nice clean bone. To take the skin off, you start from the bottom and you get underneath it and get all the skin off and separated from the meat. If you have to, you can slice it just ever so. And when you peel the skin up, you're going to peel the skin up over the bone, just like this. These tendons, you can just snip off with a scissors or slice with a very sharp knife. When you're done, all your lollipops should look like this. And now we're going to wrap the drumsticks with aluminum foil. Now they're all wrapped. Now we go in for our seasoning. Take your lollipop chicken. Take your favorite. I like this Weber brown sugar. And make sure it's well seasoned. Once you have that, then take a piece of bacon. I use hickory smoke. And we are going to wrap this chicken breast. Now place that into your grease muffin pan. Have your little helper place it into the oven and make sure you have a catch tray for the grease because it does overflow. 400 degrees at 30 minutes and away you go. We'll put that in 400 for 30 minutes. Grab the drumsticks one by one, roll them in your favorite barbecue sauce, and place them on a pan with aluminum foil. Then brush on all the excess barbecue sauce with a brush. Put them back into the oven for about 15 minutes to get that barbecue set up. Here they are in all their glory. About 10-15 minutes back in the oven. That barbecue sauce is nice and set. They're looking caramely and sticky and perfect. Just let them rest. I set up the plate for my taste tester. Take a big old bite. Yummy? Let me see your bite. Turn around. Take another bite. Is it hot? 1 through 10.
10.
10? You sure? You
Yeah.
want nice and juicy. Meat, bacon. Definitely doing this again. Hit the like and subscribe button and ring that little bell for more recipes from PK Lounge at Cowtown, USA.